Alright, today we're gonna pop into Dollar Tree, but the goal is to find everything that I've never seen before that seems like it's new in this week. Okay, I don't know if these are exactly new. These have been around for a while. I might have seen these before, but packaging does look a little different. Okay, these definitely look new. I see yellow as well. I don't know if there's any other colors available, but these are so adorable. And these are definitely new to me. They would be so cute for like an ice cream or a summer themed party. This wrapping paper right here, I mean, this might have been out for over a month, maybe longer, but this is the first time I'm seeing it and it's so cute. It just says happy birthday. This one is also looking new to me, and they are the Disney princesses, but they have like this illustration look to them, and this is absolutely stunning. Okay, this little robot gift bag, this is looking new to me as well. I'm obsessed with their gift bags. Some of these I think have been around, but this one in particular is my favorite of the week. This is definitely new in this week. We've got Play-Doh, which is like the air clay. And there's multiple color options. I think, look, there's even like black in here. There's red, green. These are definitely a steal. This is new too. Looks like a Nickelodeon finger paint set. This is Baby Shark, which is super cute. This is what you get in here for $1.25. Lots of new stuff in the toys this week. So we've got like My Little Pony. These are like bracelet kits. We've got Gabby's dollhouse. You've got a Barbie doll tie-dye fashion where you can tie-dye her dress. There's even Minnie Mouse in this set and other tie-dye options. These are all going to be great for an Easter basket. I've never seen this brand before, Curiosity, but here it is. It is a Play-Doh brand. They also have this modeling clay. They also have the larger modeling doughs. In this one, you get 4 colors. As you can see, there's like multiple different color options, so be looking at that. And then you've got these, which have 8 of the smaller colors. Alright, this definitely looks like a new sticker. I mean, I know all stores do things different, and maybe you've seen this like 3 months ago, but this is definitely the first time I'm seeing this little like adventure set. Even this one right here with the good vibes, the UFO. Let's see, are there any more? No. Okay, these are definitely brand new, and what a unique way to do puzzles. Like, that is so cute. Ages 4 and plus, you get 48 pieces. So you've got Peppa Pig, you've got Blue's Clues in here, Minnie Mouse. Who is this? Justice League. Yeah, there's a lot of different options in here, and these are new. I don't know if I just haven't been paying attention, but these are striking as new to me as well. There's several options in here. Oh my goodness. How amazing are these? Let's get one on the ground. Okay, it's like a desktop activity kit. So if you're doing any sort of homeschooling or you're trying to get them started early, these are really awesome. So we've got ABCs, colors, shapes, and activities. Yeah, that's like a learning mat, and then numbers. These are great. All right, we've got several new coloring books, an activity set, this animal talent show. which seems pretty hilarious. I guess you just put stickers on animals and put them in a talent show. Then we've got this pet party one, which, yeah, they give you all the stickers. So cute. Oh, we've got animal vacation. It's giving Clark Griswold. So cute. Here's another talent show. I also found this Toy Story like comic book. This is definitely new. Like, how awesome is that? So if you're gonna do like a Toy Story jump journal, you're gonna want to pick that up. I also found Spot visits a farm. So this is the first time I'm seeing this little coloring book, which is absolutely precious, and the quality of the pages feels really good. I'm also finding books like this that I've never really seen before, but learning books. We've got colors. This is pre-K and kindergarten here. We've got letters. Let's see, reading. And then back here, we've got sight words, addition, subtraction, basic concepts. All right, this looks new as well. Looks like some type of beauty guru, 100% pure natural hair serum. So that's $1.25. This one looks new to me as well. The coconut milk and banana infused with jojoba oil. We've got these kids bathtub fizzies. Okay, I'm seeing these in the baby section. I have no idea what this is. A snack storage. Okay. That is so adorable. So these definitely look new to me. Alright, these are new as well. It's a little lip gloss with a pom-pom, which is so cute. There's also this color as well. I think it's just those two colors. The brand is Be Pure. Alright, this looks new to me. It is the Global Beauty Care Lift and Firm Eye Cream with collagen and peptides. Okay, this looks new to me. We've got Floral Moss. The color is darker than I think I've ever seen it. So pretty. I've never seen this strawberry syrup before. That's interesting. Definitely probably new sometime this week or this month. Okay, these are so cute and would be adorable in a gift basket. Like if you're a real estate agent or like you want to put together a basket for your clients, like this would be really cute. So we've got hazelnut and French vanilla. We've got some strawberry preserves, some raspberry preserves. I really like the packaging on these as well. Okay, this is not new, but I can't believe this card is still here. So I'm gonna have to take that. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I did pick up some things, but that's gonna be in the next one.